A few drops will make strong and healthy seedlings grow from the seeds. This green rooting hormone will even stimulate old seeds to sprout. The plants will grow strong and healthy. All you need is to provide the seeds with one natural substance. You can prepare it yourself at home. You need aloe for it. It's an exceptional plant. Its leaf juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thanks to this, the seeds germinate better. Take a smaller aloe leaf, cut it into smaller pieces. Aloe contains plenty of vitamins and micro and macro elements. They have a positive effect even on old seeds. Transfer the chopped leaf to a small blender. Pour about 1 glass of water. Turn on the blender and blend the aloe. In combination with water, it will be perfect for the seeds. Prepare a container with a capacity of about 1 glass and a strainer. Drain the water from the aloe. This way, you will get a fertilizer that contains valuable substances. Prepare a container with a lid. Line it with a paper towel. Moisten the towel with the green rooting hormone using a spoon. Sprinkle the seeds. I'm sowing tomatoes right now, but it can be any seeds. Close the container, and it's ready. Put it in a warm and sunny place. Regularly moisten the towel. After a few days, the seeds will start to sprout. You can also see how cabbage vegetables germinate. They are already perfect for pricking out. If you know how to stimulate seeds and how, you will have strong and healthy seedlings. Put the torn egg carton into the bag. Add the leftovers from your meal, which provide nutrients. Pour in some soil, and finally, place the seedling inside. Position it in the center so it has access to all the nutrients. This creates a natural environment that supports its growth. It's a simple and quick way to use leftovers and strengthen your plant. Instead of throwing away, pour water and water tomato seedlings. Even the weakest seedlings will grow strong, healthy, and sturdy. All you need is a fertilizer that you can make at any time. It accelerates the growth of tomato seedlings. It strengthens the roots. Just apply it 2 or 3 times every 10 days, for watering but also as a spray. It contains appropriate amino acids, minerals, vitamins, and bacteria. To make it, take ordinary bread. Various bread leftovers, whether fresh or dried, will be suitable. Prepare any jar with a capacity of about 1 liter. Crumble the bread and put it into the jar. Fill the jar with bread to half its volume. Pour water over it. You can use rainwater. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Sugar accelerates fermentation. Cover the jar and set it aside in a warm place for 2 days. After this time, prepare a container with a sieve and strain the bread. Dilute the obtained liquid by pouring 3 liters of water. Add 3 tablespoons of milk. Milk will further improve the fertilizer's properties. Now just water the seedlings. You can feed smaller seedlings using a syringe. Larger ones just need watering. You can also pour the liquid into a sprayer and use it as a spray. You'll see that tomato seedlings will quickly become stronger and won't stretch out. You can also use this fertilizer for other seedlings. For example, for cucumber or pepper seedlings. In just a few minutes, you can make a fertilizer that gardeners have relied on for years. It provides valuable nutrients, supports beneficial soil microorganisms, and helps plants develop strong roots more quickly. When used regularly, it can improve soil fertility, encourage healthier plant growth, and support the plant's natural resilience throughout the growing season. I use it for cucumbers, tomatoes, kohlrabi, and cabbage. Take a large jar. The first ingredient is yeast. Add some yeast along with 1 tablespoon of sugar. The sugar feeds the yeast and helps speed up the fermentation process. Next, pour in some warm milk. The milk should be warm because the yeast becomes active much faster at a higher temperature. Stir everything thoroughly until well combined. Seal the jar and let the mixture sit for about 30 minutes. During this time, the yeast will activate, and the mixture will become more biologically active. After that, measure out 1 cup of the prepared mixture. Then prepare 1.5 gallons of water and pour the cup of mixture into it. Stir everything well. Use the finished solution to water your plants directly around the roots, preferably early in the morning or later in the evening when the sun is not as strong. Gardeners value yeast because it contains B vitamins, amino acids, and natural compounds that support beneficial microorganisms in the soil. This helps plants build stronger root systems, absorb nutrients more efficiently, and grow healthier throughout the season. The result is stronger stems, fuller leaves, and a more abundant harvest. That is why yeast fertilizer has been used for many years as a simple, affordable, and effective way to support healthy plant growth. Water your seedlings with Coca-Cola. Your plants will start bending under the weight of juicy, vibrant fruit. Coke acts as a natural booster. I didn't believe it either until I tried it myself. The leaves become darker and stronger, and the fruit grows fuller and more flavorful. Coca-Cola contains sugar, which stimulates soil microbes. These microorganisms help make nutrients more accessible to plants. Increased biological activity in the soil supports root development. Phosphoric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which can also benefit growth. Coke not only promotes plant growth, but also helps deter aphids. Its sticky surface repels pests, and the compounds inside make it harder for them to survive. Just water with Coca-Cola once a month. Don't overdo it. Too much can throw off your soil's balance. Within a few weeks, you'll see noticeable improvements in plant health and yield. 1 teaspoon will make your tomato seedlings strong, healthy, and well-rooted. You'll be amazed. The weak and limp seedlings will finally develop a strong root system. They won't get sick. Their stems and leaves will begin to grow beautifully. The tomato seedlings will become your pride, and all this thanks to one product. Anyone who grows vegetables at home knows how many conditions must be met for seedlings to be healthy and strong. The right temperature, plenty of light, and proper watering. You've ensured all of this for your seedlings, yet they are still weak and not growing? Then you can fertilize them. You'll protect them from fungal diseases that often attack young seedlings. They won't get the so-called damping off disease. This remedy is perfect for rooting young seedlings. It stimulates their growth. To prepare it, you'll need standing water or rainwater. Pour this water into a container. This container holds half a liter. Add half a teaspoon of honey. Dissolve it in the water. For 1 liter of water, use 1 teaspoon of honey. Add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antibacterial properties. It also protects against mold and aids rooting, just like honey. Water your seedlings with this mixture. You'll be thrilled with the result. Your tomato seedlings will grow beautifully. They'll be strong and healthy,